Hey GTA! Welcome back to LSV Weekly, your Sunday guide to living smarter, feeling better, and loving where you live. This week's mix: school zones that score high, flavors to power your day, style you'll love coming home to, and a market update you can't miss. Let's get started. This week, we're spotlighting Don Mills, a neighborhood where mid-century design meets modern family living. But the real headline? Its schools have earned it a spot in the top 10 GTA school areas of 2025.
Don Mills in Toronto is a top choice for families seeking quality education and a welcoming community. The neighborhood features exceptional schools like Don Mills Collegiate Institute, renowned for its gifted program, and Norman Ingram Public School, recognized for its high academic standards. Beyond great schools, Don Mills offers a family-friendly atmosphere with safe streets, abundant green spaces, and easy access to shopping and recreational facilities.
Want the full top 10 list and where your neighborhood lands? Stream the complete breakdown at lifestylevideos.com. Now, need a quick hit of energy that's light, fresh, and protein-packed? Meet your new go-to, the Pineapple Banana Smoothie. Perfect for breakfast, post-workout, or those summer's still here afternoons.
I use water. I'm using filtered water. I don't like to use fruit juices or vegan milks. Not that they're not good, but I just like the purity of the water. I find with all the flavors going on in here, you really don't need that extra sugar in your smoothie. The water works just fine. So throw that all into the blender. Turn it on.
Get the exact recipe and pro tips, step by step, at lifestylevideos.com. When you need a weeknight dinner that's easy but feels 5-star, this is it. Teriyaki Salmon with Maple Glaze. Sweet, savory, and done in under 30 minutes.
Okay, so now that I've preheated my grill here to medium heat, I'm now going to place the salmon on the grill. I'm going to re-marinate it. We're going to sear it for 2 minutes, each side, re-marinating as we do it. And once both sides are seared, we're now going to put it into the oven at 350 degrees heat. Okay, so now that we've seared both sides, you can see the grill marks on both sides. We're now going to put a little bit of the marinade into a baking tray, and we're going to allow it to finish cooking there on the inner parts of the salmon. 350 for approximately 10 to 15 minutes more.
Get the full recipe at lifestylevideos.com and wow them tonight. Up next, what makes the next hot GTA neighborhood? It's not just coffee shops and condos. There's a pattern, and the signs are already there. In our new short doc, we decode the clues before prices spike.
A cracked sidewalk, a dive bar that never really closes, maybe a corner lot with an old man who watches the world go by with a coffee and a cigarette. But if you look closer, you'll see the signs, subtle, like a secret passed hand to hand. A cafe opens where a pawn shop used to be. Someone's fixing up a duplex, not flipping, restoring. A zoning notice appears on a lamppost and no one talks about it, but everyone sees it. This is how it starts. In real estate, the big money is loud, but the real opportunities, they whisper. You want to know where to buy before it becomes a headline? Follow the artists, the independent gym owners.
Stream the full short film now on Real Estate Rewired at lifestylevideos.com. That's LSV Weekly, your smarter living playbook for the week ahead. Whether it's your home, your table, or your next move, we've got you covered. Subscribe, share, and explore more at lifestylevideos.com because smart living starts here.